Deal Surgeons, Elite Masterminds, what's going on? This is Diamond Life doing a review of Glitch in the Matrix for US 30. This review is for this week here from the May 12th. Okay, so this was last week. I didn't have time to actually trade it, so I had to back test it, but it still worked, which is very, 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 very pleasing. So, however I do the Glitch in the Matrix, which I will never share, it's just that good. Sorry. But basically, these green lines right here is buys. Okay, so we're gonna go slowly to the right. And so these are the areas that I identified as the glitch in the matrix. Okay, meaning that price, wherever this purple line is, this is where price has to come to. Okay, so we have a purple line here. This is the glitch in the matrix high up here, and this is the low. But price definitely, I would have, if I would have traded this, I definitely would have. I didn't. I was traveling and I was kind of bogged down with other stuff, dealing with brokers and stuff like that, where I just couldn't trade. I had to trade Forex that week, GU, EU, and NU. So, but I still keep my eye on US 30 if I'm not able to trade it or can't trade it for whatever reason. So the glitch in the matrix, back testing, the line would have been here. I definitely would have held a buy all the way up to here. And the second area to hold a buy is up to here. So it's going to do a hard retrace. And I'm going to explain why I did the retrace. Let me unlock this because I have to, this area here, this box here, I have to make it more red so you can see it because this is important. All right, so let me lock it back so I don't move anything. All right, so let's go ahead and cook. So basically, we're going to do this slowly. So I've just showed you the areas I identified as glitch in the matrix. These are the areas I would have took a buy at for sure. The way I do this is based on the way I do glitch in the matrix and the way I saw everything. I'm telling you right now, I would have bought at the open very strongly because based on my prediction when price was here, which was Friday. Okay, let's pull it over to the right. When price was here, based on the way I saw everything, price was going to run into a straight line up into this line here. Price is going to run into a straight line up into this line. Let's go down to the 5-minute chart. Based on the numbers and the inefficiencies and the drawn liquidity and a few value imbalances in the way that ICT teaches on how to look at this stuff. Hold on quick. Oops. All right, so now I'm showing the price action, but I'm about to show you exactly what I would have done because I've done it plenty of times already with this. So based on the way I seen this, I would have went long right out the gate. Okay, so when price was going down right here, I would have bought. That's why you see this green line right there. Let me delete them as I show you the buys, so you can see. Let me take off the lock. So this buy right here, I'm gonna go ahead and delete this line here. So I would have bought in. So we in on one position. Okay, now as prices, if we move the chart over to the right, remember, what am I holding for? I'm holding for price to come up to here. This line here. This is the first glitch in the matrix line. Okay, this was a heavy area. Okay, that I identified using the glitch in the matrix system. So based on the way I saw it and how heavy this area was up here, it's gonna run into a straight line up there. Facts. So I would have got in on that green I just deleted. Okay. And then then when price retraced right here, most likely I probably would have bought here. I'm not cherry picking. This is just how I would have done it. On any retrace of one candle or more, I would have got in long again. So let's go ahead and delete this line here because I would have got in long. Okay, so I'm long here on the second one. Now, if we continue to see the candles print, as the price is going down, I would have just held this. Even though I probably should have bought again right here because you want to load up on the buy positions with this. The way this works, you want to load up on the buy positions, but you have to know where it's going. Based on, this is not a guess, people. This is not luck. This is not wishing, hoping. If you really understood what I know about this, price has to come up here. So as price is retracing, you have to start buying small positions where you don't over leverage because it could come down here, to this order block down here. So you have to understand the structure and know what's going on. It could come all the way down here to this order block. This is a valid order block down here. Okay, but it already came down here. This is a SpaceX candle as well, meaning that it has to take out, the way this open right here, it has to come up here and take out this high up here. This is a SpaceX candle. Let me move this line over real quick so I can explain this. See the way this open? This is a dead giveaway. See how it opened way below the previous bearish candle? It has to come up here. This is another dead giveaway. But also with glitch in the matrix, it has to come up here. This is the first terminus. Okay. Pull this back over to Sunday. Okay, so let's see, where did I buy again? Okay, so I kind of would have chased price a little bit. I probably would have got in here as well as price is going down. Now remember, all these lines I'm deleting is price is retracing. I'm doing what? Buying. Because what? I know price has to come up here. Like, you have to know, especially how strong the numbers was this week here. When I back tested it, it was extremely strong. And I've seen this happen a lot of times. So I would have got in here on that retrace. Price is going higher. Okay. Now remember, I'm holding out for here. The price come up here. Now, when it retraced down here, I probably should have got in for a buy again, but I probably would have. Sometimes I'm a coward with the trade and I don't want to over leverage or get too crazy about the positions, even though if I know what price is going. Because this is the glitch in the matrix up there, that purple line. So as we continue to go over, I probably would have bought here and been in drawdown on that position. Okay. Because I would have been eager for price to come up here to this line, but you know, I would have been in a little bit of drawdown. Boom, price hit it. Now, based on the way this works, this is the glitch in the matrix high. And usually the way I do this, it'll show me the high and the low and then middle, the consequent encroachment. This is really kind of crazy how this stuff works. Every time I back test it and see it, it'll just be like, man, I'm so glad that I have this, you know, no matter what nobody else think, I have this. So what I've been back testing is the glitch. It'll show me the actual low or the actual high that price has to come to. But what I've been back testing to see will actually hit the actual inefficiency. Okay. And this is the inefficiency high, or the high of the inefficiency. Okay. And I call this a block barrier. That's what BB is, block barrier. So this is the block barrier, meaning that when it comes up there, it should reject, which is exactly what it did. The block barrier. See that? So this is showing me that if I see an inefficiency, then it probably will come up to the block barrier and then reject. Now we have another one up here, but you may be asking yourself, well, why is price retracing? This is something I really want to show on camera here. Let me delete. I really want to show this on camera here. The reason why price is retracing is because you have to understand how the structure works. I keep saying that. This is a bullish breaker. Let's click on this right here. This is a bullish breaker on the daily. See that bearish breaker 1D? See, price broke this breaker. It broke it, but it never retested it. You have to understand this. I call this a BAR, which is a bar. Price broke this bullish breaker, but it never retested it. So why would I think that price is, yes, price has to come up here to this other glitch in the matrix right here. Okay. This one right here was a dead giveaway, but this one up here is also showing what price had to do as well. But price is only coming down here because it has to retest this bullish breaker. It never did it. So what I would have done if I did this, because I didn't trade it because of all kinds of reasons, but I still back test my strategies to make sure they worked. Okay. So what you see right here, you see a yellow line. This would have been a buy limit. So this is a bullish breaker on a daily. Knowing how ICT teaches it, I would have gotten in at 50%. This yellow line is 50% of the bullish breaker, which price never hit, that you can see right there. But also I would have put a buy limit at the 25% level, that's what this is right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and delete this. So we're in for a buy right now. We deleted that. Now I'm in for a buy. Now, obviously, this seemed like a stretch in a way, but you have to really understand how this works. Like, especially the way no candle closed inside of this zone, and this is on a 5-minute chart. It was a dead giveaway. We was going higher if you understand how the structure works. So let's continue to go to the right. We see another green line. I'm gonna show you why I bought again. So now I'm thinking price is going up higher up here, because remember, it has to come up here now. This is the glitch in the matrix, the second one. Okay. So as I see right here, I would have gotten in on a buy right here as price retraced. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete that line right there. I definitely would have got in for a buy, thinking that, you know, we're good to go to just keep on retracing all our way up to this purple line. But you see another green line. Now, the reason the other green line is there is because price had to it retested twice. Okay. So seeing that, I probably would have got mad and just bought again. Not over leveraging my account, but I would have bought again for sure. So we're gonna delete that line. Now I still got a buy limit down here, which is the yellow line. Now it's gonna seem like a stretch for it to come all the way up here, but you have to see this stuff over and over. I think I'm at 25 weeks now. Okay. You have to see it over and over again to really understand what's going on. Now, based on this retesting, I definitely would have been spooked when price did this. I'm like, well, what the hell is going on? Price has to come up here. Why is it retracing? But I have to understand that this is a major area right here. This is a bullish breaker. So I just can't expect for it to just hit it one time and go up there. This is a fresh bullish breaker on a retest, BAR, break and retest. This could have been a move as well for you to take that break and retest. This is a fresh break and retest. You could have took it up here to, where did it stop? Look like it may have almost stopped at this bearish breaker up here. Let me look more to the left. Well, it stopped right there, but let's continue. So it retested and then price shot up. So this would have been, you know, happy to see that. And then I had my buy positions. I just would have kept riding it. Now, if price retrace, we have to understand why is it retracing. That's why I'm breaking this down, because I think some people think I keep hearing some people say I don't understand how this shit works. I'm not saying I'm an expert, because I'm not, but I will be. But I understand that this is a bullish breaker. Do you understand that? We got a low here. We got a high, and then we got a low that took out this low. So understand the ICT, we have to look up the highest up close candle. Because you may be asking yourself, well, why did it retrace? It retraced here. You see it coming down? It's retracing only to come back up to either this high or these highs right here, because this is the bullish breaker. Okay, the highest up close candle. Okay, so let's keep going to the right and see what happened. See that? It came down here. This low right here came down to what? Consequent encroachment of this wick, and then it took off. This is a bullish breaker on a higher time frame. This whole candle here. We on a 5-minute chart. I usually go to the 15-minute or the 30-minute to find a breaker, because it's more condensed candles. Price came down there, respected it. It shot off, and then it came right up here to the glitch in the matrix. Okay, boom, and I would have been done for the week. What is that? Wednesday? I would have been done, because this is a high up here, but I don't have confirmation that is coming up here. Based on the glitch in the matrix, I only had confirmation for that purple line that I just showed you here. I definitely would have took a huge buy all the way up here. It shot in a straight line. I'm telling you, the way I see this shit is crazy. It shot up in a straight line right up there. It literally did the same thing last week. Is this the same broker? Hold on quick. See something. Yeah, it did. I actually predicted this last week. Yeah, if you look at my other glitch in the matrix video, I said that price, this is the other purple line. I said, based on what I saw, price would run into basically a straight line and come all the way up here to this purple line here. That's what my last glitch in the matrix video said. And, you know, it took its time a little bit, because we did have a bullish breaker, bullish order block on the monthly, highest up close candle. That's what opening price. So obviously it was going to reject pretty hard. So in the glitch in the matrix this week, it was pretty strong, but it wasn't as strong as this week here. That's why price literally ran in a straight line, literally to the glitch, because the number was so high, based on, you know, the prices and the quarter points and different things. I look at the COT data. Okay, so that's glitch in the matrix. It worked again. Thanks for watching.